Hello everyone, welcome to the class where we're discussing the problem on EMI calculation where a loan of 70 lakh rupees is being taken for 15 years at 13% per annum. Because we are talking about EMI where the interest is being compounded per month. So you need to divide the rate of interest by 12 and you need to multiply the time period with 12. So now here for calculate the EMI, we use present value of annuity calculation. The formula you can see here, and this will give you the EMI value where the loan you will take as 70 lakh, rate of interest you will take as 13% per annum, and the time period you will take as 15 years. Ultimately, if you put everything into this formula, okay, you will get the value of EMI as 88,566 rupees. The same thing you can do very easily in Excel by using PMT formula, where in PMT first you need to put the rate of interest, which is 13% per annum divided by 12. The time would be 15 years, which you need to multiply by 12. In present value of annuity, you need to put the loan amount with minus sign. Press enter, you'll get the answer.